Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pharma Gyan. Friends, in this channel you can learn about pharmaceutical guidelines, pharmaceutical industrial practices, processes, documentation practices, and many more about pharmaceutical industries. Friends, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel Pharma Gyan, and press bell icon given in bottom right corner to get latest updates directly in your notification panel when I upload new videos. So next we will discuss about the video.
Concept of ALCOA Plus and data integrity in pharmaceutical companies. What is data integrity? Data integrity is the overall accuracy, completeness, and consistency of data. Data integrity also refers to the safety of data in regards to regulatory compliance, such as GDPR compliance, and security. It is maintained by a collection of processes, rules, and standards implemented during the design phase. What is ALCOA Plus? The full form of ALCOA Plus is attributable, legible, contemporaneous, original, accurate and complete, consistent, enduring and available. Full form and meaning of ALCOA Plus. A equals attributable means traceable. The data should be traceable in terms of time, date, doer, reviewer, etc. L equals legible means the recorded data should be clearly visible, readable and understandable. C equals contemporaneous means that the data entry should be online, real-time entry. Record online what you do in approved standard formats. O equals original means that the data entry should be done only in approved standard formats, not on sticky notes, loose papers, on any piece of papers, stickers, etc. A equals accurate means that the data should be recorded accurately in terms of digits or else, and the data recorded must be complete, consistent, truthful, and representative of facts. And the meaning of plus means complete equals information that is critical to recreating and understanding an event. This would include any repeat or reanalysis performed on a laboratory test sample. Consistent equals the data are presented, recorded, dated, or time-stamped in the expected and defined sequence. Enduring equals the data or information must be maintained, intact, and accessible throughout their defined retention period. Available equals the data or information must be able to be accessed at any time during the defined retention period.